We got some Jamaican snacks.
Where?
Rory from Jamaica Care Package sent us some Jamaican snacks. I see. We got what you call Bigfoot. You never had Bigfoot before. Got cheesies. You had digestive. Chocolatey.
I want to bring this to school.
Oh no. We got tigers. See the tiger?
I want to bring both of these to school.
We got Shirley biscuit.
Me.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna take all the ones that I want. We got Tiki. We got Tiki. We got ginger biscuit. For Daddy. We got Shirley biscuit. For Daddy. We got Chippies banana chips. That's your mom's favorite.
No.
You can have it. You can have it. You can have it. You can have it. No. And we got duplex. Let's see. Did Rory get me a Magnum? Ha! If Rory got me a Magnum, woo! We gonna break the bed down. Oh wait, say that in front of the kids.